So let me ask you, what is the most common reason why people decide not to get solar? Because you offer solar and you think it's great, but when people say, no, I don't want solar, what is usually the reason, and why is that not a valid reason?
Well, I feel like people think that electric rates are not going to be increasing with the power company. They just think prices will come down, just like gas prices come down. Energy and gas always tends to go up. Gas does tend to fluctuate. Gas prices do come down occasionally. We do know that. But people think in their brain that electric prices will come down. They never go down. Look it up. You can see every year the prices go up. And our local power company went up 24% last year. So that was a big hit for people who have large power bills. A lot of people are on auto pay. They don't realize how much their bill is until the price increases happen. And they say, why is my bill $100 higher all of a sudden? Then they look into it and then they give us a call and they get solar. With solar, you can save about 30 to 50% based on like what you pay. So we pay 62 cents a kilowatt hour for power here in California. If you did a solar lease or a PPA, we could get you down to 20 cents a kilowatt hour. So that's the value of solar. We know that the price of energy is constantly going up. The grid needs repair. There's AI data centers being built literally here. So that's going to draw a lot of the energy from the grid and put a strain on the grid, which is going to lead to more power outages and other situations like that. And as a homeowner, you obviously want your home to be powered and do it in the most efficient way, and that's solar.
Wow, I wish you told me that like last year when there was a 30% tax credit. Now it's gone. Maybe now it's not time to get solar.
Well, people are getting solar still. Actually, we're very busy. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
How is it still a good deal without the 30% tax credit?
Well, because we know power companies are always increasing their price. And
that's
when you
right.
buy solar, you're kind of pausing time at that point. So when you do a lease or a PPA with solar, it's really, 20 cents a kilowatt hour. That's what we were paying 15 years ago.
Oh, no, good times.
So you'll have that locked in for 25 years. So solar is a cheaper option.
But once you pay off your solar...
Yeah, once you pay your solar off...
It's like free power.
It's free power, exactly.
Wow.
And a lot of people are driving electric vehicles these days because it is better for the planet and it is cheaper, but you do have to plug the car in to charge it.
Yep.
And when you do that, it uses kilowatt hours, which is energy that you're buying from your power company. So you can get solar and have a cheaper option.
You know what's the most crazy thing is? I drive a Tesla Cybertruck. I love the vehicle. And to know that once you install solar on my roof, I'm basically powering my Tesla Cybertruck
and
with free power from the sun. It's like, and what, I don't even own the panels yet. That's not even my point. It's the point that the power of the sun is making my Tesla drive. That's just
amazing.
Crazy.
I know. We're living in a crazy time.
Yes.
It's great.
And guys, this is Carrie from Solar Sesame, and she's here because I had to figure out how to get solar into my EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X here with the Smart Home Panel 3. I decided to just use it as energy arbitrage in the beginning, but then I realized it's so freaking easy to add solar. I started calling people around, and then it turns out it's actually very hard to find a company that's willing to wire solar panels into this system for me because they just don't have the knowledge, they don't want to deal with it. And also, I think that the margins are much lower because the main money is selling the complete system, and the solar panel is the hardest part to sell, the hardest part to do, plus that's all I want from them. It's like the hard labor, and give me the deal on the hard labor. And they're like, no. But Carrie is super nice. I love the way that their company works. I love how knowledgeable they are, and they have really good rates. And one of the things that Carrie told me about earlier is amazing. Mention that safe harbor thing again really quick. How you're able to get like really good pricing still, yet you pass it along to the customer, because I thought that was just so heartfully warm. I loved it.
Yeah, so with the tariffs and everything this year, a lot of pricing went up. A lot of companies, especially solar, needs to use American-made products. So what we did at Solar Sesame is we safe harbored equipment before the tax credit ended. So we are still selling you guys cheaper products. We're not jacking the price up to make more money. We're actually customers first, so we're actually here to help you save money. So we're passing those savings on to you, and we still have tons of equipment, and we're ready to serve you.
Tons for now.
For now. I know, we do about 60 installs a month, so we're getting very, obviously equipment will run out, and we will have to be back up to regular market pricing. But yeah, we definitely have the best pricing in the state.
Yes, and Solar Sesame, guys, remember that name, remember it well, because that name right there might be one of the top 3 solar companies that are going to be around, because the way they work, their customer service, their philosophy, they are so good, and they're actually expanding in a time where a lot of solar companies are actually closing right now. It's crazy. You guys are not just local in the Bay Area, right?
Yeah, we are opening Fresno Market in the next quarter, and then we're opening up San Diego as well. And we do have an office in Costa Mesa outside of LA.
So they're expanding. They're going to take over the West Coast, and pretty soon they'll take over the entire United States. So
and we do roofing, solar, and electrical. So we can handle any sort of electrical. You know, he has his smart
you can
box
install
here.
the panels
Yeah, we can do
too?
all that. Yeah,
What?
we can do all that.
I should have just got you guys.
I know.
I had really good people
We're
install
truly
that.
full service.
But they do everything. Oh, that's
we
really
do
cool.
everything. Yep.
Awesome. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can reach out to them. I'll leave their contact down below. That's Carrie from Solar Sesame, and they are good. I do really recommend them.